Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's. Today I am in Lancaster County in Pennsylvania at Blu Flame Heaters. Today I want to show you guys the 4020 model. This is going to be an Amish-built gas stove. Generally it'll come standard in propane, but you could also order it to be natural gas. So these are pretty cool off-grid convection style heaters. They have a millivolt gas system and they have a nice great convection style air tubes located on the top of the stove. So this is a really great way to pump out a lot of heat in an off-grid application. This model is going to be a 50,000 BTU model. These units do have a 50% turn down rate, which is pretty cool. So you have two burner systems located here inside the firebox, and you could actually turn off one full burner to be able to get your turn down rate. This model is going to be UL listed for insurance purposes and is going to be a top vent stove as well. This model will just take a standard 4-inch B vent. You also have the ability to add in this nice top cabinet as well, which would allow you to actually connect into some type of ductwork in a plenum system if you wanted to. Otherwise, you'll get a lot of heat that just blows off the top of the stove here without the cabinet. So this is going to be the 4020 model by Blu Flame Heaters. This is Sarah with Obadiah's. I really hope you guys found this video helpful. Don't forget, if you like my videos, please don't forget to just give it a quick little thumbs up. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.